Just put honey on toilet paper, and you will be amazed at the result. A gentleman taught me, and today I will show you. It's a very simple thing, guys. But I assure you that it will be very useful to you. I'm pretty sure you've never used toilet paper this way, but when you find out what it's for, I'm sure you will today. And to start, we will need a roll of toilet paper. Actually, let's just cut a piece. Okay, it doesn't have to be too big or too small for this size is already great. After that, fold it in half, then roll it like I do here. This tip is wonderful. Used in fields and farms. You will be amazed by the results. Just like me and my whole family. Done, it will look like this, rolling from one end to the other. You see now, put the paper aside. We will need a container just like this. To start, we will use coffee powder. Add 2 teaspoons. It's done using let's use honey. Add a little honey to the coffee powder. You can also use honey syrup or pure honey like this. Now mix very well until all the ingredients are involved, and it will stay that way. Put some on your fingers. And lay it out on the paper. Okay, that's how I do it. It's very important to spread it all over the paper like that. I imagine you must be curious to know what it's for. I'll tell you, and be sure to wait. And it will stay like that. I have gone through all parts of the document, as you can see. So get a glass bottle. It can only be glass because plastic can eventually melt. Now, with the help of a funnel, let's add a little clove. Add about 20 cloves inside the bottle. After adding cloves, let's add alcohol and vinegar. Until you cover all the nails, now put the paper inside. Leaving the tip of the paper in contact with the alcohol vinegar and the carnations and the other part out of the bottle like that. And now, just turn it on. You don't have to leave it on fire, let it burn, okay? If this happens, just blow. And do you know what it will be used for? I imagine you're quite curious. What we have just made is a wonderful repellent for all types of mosquitoes, like mosquitoes, bees, wasps, and even cockroaches, for all flying insects, but especially for mosquitoes. This smoke is very powerful, and the function of honey is to attract insects to this place. When the insects arrive at this place and are confronted with this smoke, and with the smell of cloves and spirit vinegar, they end up dying or leaving. Because the smell of cloves combined with alcohol vinegar is very strong for insects and coffee, in addition to having a wonderful smell for your environment, it helps to scare away insects thanks to its concentrated aroma. This tip is simply wonderful. A few days ago, my family and I couldn't sleep well. Because of mosquitoes and other flying insects, this idea saved us. It even looks like magic. Just turn it on, and they disappear, and you can leave them anywhere in your house. So if you have this problem at home, do this trick. I am sure you will love the results, and you can also do it when you stay in open places. Do you have a lot of mosquitoes and flying insects in your house? Everyone should stay with God until the next video.